Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Subhasri Ma'am. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will do chapter 6 perimeter and area, and today in this video we will start part 1 of area first. Already we have completed perimeter part 1, 2 and 3 I have given. If you have not seen, I will give the link in description, you can see it. So in this video we will solve the sums from page number 138 and question number 1, 2 and 3. These are very important, children, so watch carefully. So let us start. That is, figure it out, page number 138 I told you. And first question number 1 is the area of a rectangular garden 25 meter long is 300 square meter, means area of this garden is 300 square meter. What is the width of the garden? Means area is given and length is given. Okay, so area of the garden is what? You write that whatever is given you will write first. Area of the rectangular garden equals to 300 meter square and length equals to 25 meter. Now you know the first you have to write the formula, so this way you will write it. Next you write L into B, means area equals to 300 meter square. We know that, so we have written. Length also we know, that is 25 meter, and breadth we have to find out, equals to 300 meter square. So that implies breadth equals to, first we will shift this 25 meter from left side to right side. So sign will change, it will divide, so you will write down as a denominator. Now 300 meter square by 25 meter. So if you divide, you will get 300 divided 25 equals to 12 meter. And the answer statement will be the width of the garden is 12 meter. I hope all of you understood. Now go for the next sum. That is question number 2. Question number 2 is telling what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 3 per 100 square meter, children. This is very important. Okay, that we will do afterwards. First, what we will do, we will write whatever is given. Length is given 500 meter. The length of this rectangular plot is given 500 meter and breadth is 200 meter. It is given. So we will find the area of this rectangular plot of land. So first you have written the formula. Now you multiply length and breadth. So 500 into 200 meter square. Don't forget to put the square. Area, whenever you will find out, unit should be in square. So if you multiply these two, you will get 1 lakh meter square. Okay. Now we will find out the cost of tiling of this plot. Cost of tiling 100 meter square is rupees 8. It is given. So first we will find out what is the cost of tiling of 1 meter square. That is 8 divided by 100. Definitely it is less. So next we will find out the cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square. Definitely it will be more than the cost of 1 meter square. Cost of 1 meter square is what? 8 by 100. In 1 lakh meter square cost is definitely more. So we will multiply. So multiply 1 lakh. Now you just cancel this 20 with a 20 of this 100. So what we got? We got 8 into 1000. So what is the cost of 1 lakh meter square? That it is rupees 8,000. So on answer statement you write properly, see and remember. The cost of tiling the rectangular plot of land is rupees 8,000. Is it clear? Now go for the next sum number 3. A rectangular coconut grove is 100-meter long and 50-meter wide. Length and breadth both are given. If each tree requires 25 square meter, what is the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this grove? Okay, means one tree is taking 25 square meter area. Okay, so first we will find out the area of this rectangular coconut grove. So first whatever is given that we will write. Length of the rectangular grove equals to 100 meter and breadth of the rectangular grove equals to 50 meter. Now we will find the area of the rectangular grove, and first we will write the formula. Then we will multiply length into breadth. Length equals to what? 100 and breadth equals to 50. So we will multiply. So we will get 5,000 meter square. Okay. Now we will see that number of trees, it is saying in question, number of trees can be planted in 25 square meter is what? 1. And number of trees can be planted in 5,000 meter square. We will simply divide 5,000 meter square divide by 25 meter square. So first cancel meter square because we want the number of trees only na. Now you cancel 5,000 by 25. So 25 twos are 50 and 2 0. So how many number of trees we can planted in this group? That is 200. And answer statement, see carefully. The maximum number of trees can be planted in this group is 2000. I hope all of you understood. Now wait for this area part 2, which is very important, and I will do the sums from page number 148. So today is this much, and bye bye.